So we're here really at CES this year to kind of launch the new MultiTech. We've done some acquisitions and mergers over the last 12 months. If you're not on the path to a connected product, connected service now as an OEM or a solutions provider, it's time to start. You know, the time is here. We're not waiting for the next technology to come down the pipe. So it really is time to get started now. We love to work with those customers very early on to help them identify not only their technology stack needs and where we can help there and what ecosystem partners we can bring in to help as well, but also help them identify business process changes that might need to be made, because those are things that the technology team in a company might say, hey, this is great, we're going to have this huge cost reduction, we're going to eliminate all these truck rolls, but yet they don't realize that field service department might be paid based on the number of truck rolls. So those things need to be aligned, and we love to work with customers early in the journey to help accelerate and smooth that out and really help take out the friction and make them successful. Yeah, so one of the things we're excited to launch here at CES this year is our OneBox solution, which really integrates our new LoRaWAN Wireless Sensors with our LoRaWAN Gateway, along with the middleware stack that really allows somebody without any engineering or integration skills or staffing to say, look, I want to prove out my business case that says, I think if I could get data from this physical environment, temperature, humidity, air quality, water, things like that, and integrate that into an application that I could prove business value that would help in my own digital transformation with my service company or my OEM equipment.